Hi everyone, I'm Evin, and many have told me to cut down on my shower time, to wash only on a full load, and to half flush. Yada yada yada! I already know that, but what can I actually do? Here are some simple things I've been doing to help me save water. To cut my shower time down to 5 minutes, I try to shower within 2 songs from my favourite artists. For me, I really like the song that goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Gotta get boom boom boom, gotta get boom 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 by the Black Eyed Peas. Now, even before I become a singing queen, I like to wash my smaller pieces of clothing in the cold water while waiting for my shower to warm up. Speaking of clothing, I try to rewear my clothes as much as possible so that I reduce the number of times I run the washing machine. With these jeans, I can match it with this shirt, this crop top, this pullover, and still look fresh, put together, and snacking every day. Now, if you have a big family, you might want to consider setting a laundry day every week so that you run your washing machine only on a full load. And now, it's time for a life hack! Putting a filled water bottle in the back of your toilet bowl will take up space in the tank, which means less volume of water will be used when you flush. Just remember to change up the bottles every now and then. Also, this may seem like a very small thing, but I used to flush down my used tissue paper from blowing my nose or from killing cockroaches down the toilet bowl. And then I realised, one full flush uses more than 4 litres of water. That's 8 cups of bubble tea, which is enough for every day of the week, and even an additional one for my weekly nervous breakdowns. Anyway, these are just what works for me. Can you come up with tips any easier than this? Share them in the comments below. Goodbye!